Welcome back to Learning Muay Thai with Kru Hemanth Kumar, a three-time World Championship bronze winner, with over 30 years of training experience. We now come to Muay Thai knees. In case you missed the previous videos on elbows, remember to check them out after this session.
Hi, I'm Kru Hemanth Kumar from Masters Muay Thai Academy, and I have my student Ashad Malik to help us take you through a new lesson about the Muay Thai knee strikes. Great. Now, having said the knee strike, knee is one of the most devastating weapons, like the elbows as well. Today we will learn how to position the knee, then learn how to strike the knee, and then see a little bit of pad work using the knee as well. I hope it sounds exciting, right? To begin with, we will see how to form the position. If you're a beginner, you can start from the square stance. Malik, please come into your square stance. All right, let's turn this side. Thank you. Now from the square stance, you would come into the one leg hold position, right? This is the first balance you would learn before going to the knee strike. The first balance. Develop your strength from this angle, then learn to point the foot to the ground. This is the most important thing. Third thing, you would bind the lower limb and the upper limb together. This gives more power and more leverage when doing the knee strikes. And the most important thing, go on the ball of the foot for each and every knee strike. You have to remain on the ball of the foot, which is very important. So if you have to remain the ball of the foot, you need to have good strength in your ankle and the calf muscle. To develop the good strength over there, you can probably use a wall or maybe a railing around. You can hold the bar and you can always try to go for the calf muscle stretch. You can do the calf stretch. Alright, you can then go one leg hold again, like I taught you earlier, and you can go for the static position of raising your calf muscle. Count for 10 to 30 counts, whichever is comfortable for you, and then put the leg down, then go for the other side. By a period of time, you would develop good balance because your strength would have increased in your leg, your calf muscle, and your ankle. That will support the knee strikes. Good. So you now learned how to form the leg position before you go for the knee strikes. So the first knee strike you would today learn would be the straight knee. The straight knee would be attacked to the midsection. The midsection would be, you can say, let's say the abdomen area. Please come to the front, Malik. Let's say the abdomen area would be the midsection we would count for basic beginners. If your expertise increases or gets better, we can definitely increase the height of the straight knee. Now let's see how we can strike the straight knee. From the square stance, first, you would again go to the position number 1. In the position number 1, you will now have the foot pointing downward, right? Now you need to use your hip to thrust or move the knee forward. You need to have good balance for this. Let's come back into position. Take a deep breath out. Ready. 1. There we go. 2, 3. Don't forget to breathe out. Breathe out. 1. Good. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Good. Change side. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. If you think you don't have a partner, like how I was giving the target for Malik, need not worry. You can do again the same thing in the air. Malik, get ready. Come into your square stance. Ready. Let's go. 1. That way. 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's how you go solo training to develop your knee. Ready? We go for the second knee strike, which will be the side knee. The side knee would now go striking the soft target area above the pelvic girdle and between the ribs. This area would be the target for the side knee. Let's see how to reach that now. Come into your position, square stance. You do everything from the square stance and then we go into the fighting stance. Alright, Malik? Let's go. 1. Okay. You can now see the knee has angled out sideways. Earlier, it was straight knee. Now, slightly angled out side knee. In this position, the knee and the heel would be in line. So this lower limb would be completely parallel to the ground. Not to forget, the feet again would be pointing downward. Having done this, we release Malik now. Ready, Malik? Let's go. 1. There we go. 2. Easy. Go easy. 3, easy. 4, easy, good. Let's change side now. Go easy. Go 1, easy. 2, right. Now, like I told in the beginning, this gap should be covered. You need to get the upper limb and the lower limb properly covered this way, and the feet pointing downward. Right? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. That would be the side knee. Let's now watch the third one, the uppercut knee. Yes, the word is familiar, uppercut. Again, this strike goes to the chin, but this time you will use your knee to go for the uppercut, which means this strike happens from a very close encounter, like less than half the arm length. You'll be from less than half length, okay? So you would go for a clinch, and from this range, your strike has to go upward. So you would be having a very narrow distance between both the parties here. Let's see how to learn to go for the knee first. Ready, Malik? 1. Again. The basic rule again. Foot pointing down, knee raising upward. The upper limb, lower limb back together. Ready? Let's go. 1. There we go. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Good. Let's change side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You see me doing this? This is to avoid the lower limb from swinging forward. If this happens in a Muay Thai match and you do this knee and this goes in the groin, it will be a foul. Alright? So we don't do that. Let's go one more time properly. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wonderful. You can see the knee rising upward. That would be the uppercut knee. The next one is the cross knee. The cross knee would attack the midsection. Again, the midsection from a 45-degree angle. Right? Get into your position now. Ready? 1. Very good. 2, 3. The basics remain the same about how we're going to form the knee. Just the angle has now changed. You're in the fourth learning cross knee. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3. Go. 4. Wow, 5. Let's change side. Let's go. 1. Up. 2. Up. 3. Up. 4. Up. 5. Wonderful. So you now witnessed how all the 4 knees which you're going to learn in this episode can be done from the square stance. Now let's do all the 4 from the fighting stance. Ready, Malik? Take a deep breath out. Good. The first one, the straight knee. 1. Good. 2. Need to go on the ball of the foot all the time. Ready? 1. Breathe harder. 2. 3. Now the knee would be a very dense bone structure, which means the hit can be very hard, but the bone cannot hit by itself. What makes the body move? The breathing, which means you need to remember you have to breathe out. Empty your stomach. Bring this tail air outside. That releases as a energy that goes and strikes the target. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wonderful. Second one, side knee. 1. Very good. 2, 3. Need to mind. Parallel to the ground. This has to go parallel to the ground. And this would hit the side muscular structure above the pelvic girdle between the rib cage. Second one. Third one, uppercut knee. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's good. The fifth one, the cross knee. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wonderful. Thank you, Malik. I hope you now learned in this episode how you can go into the formation of the knee, what are the points you need to remember, how you maintain your balance, and you saw 4 different angles through which you can penetrate using the same weapon. Please do like and share all these videos and hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. See you in the next episode. Thank you.